Hi, this is Miss Linder here. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, and today for our science topic, we are going to talk about a life cycle of a fish. So the life cycle of the fish is over here. It's pictured. So we start with an adult who lays eggs, and then the eggs turn into larvae. You'll see that one out of the way. And then it turns into a fry. And then the fry goes back and turns into an adult fish, and the cycle repeats. So for today's lesson, your activity is to examine this diagram. Then you're going to write an explanation of the fish's life cycle in your own words. First, I'm going to show you a little video about a fish life cycle. You're probably not going to be able to hear the sound, but the link is right here at the bottom of the page. You can watch it on your own as well. So I'm going to play it. So the first stage is the egg. So here's the eggs, little red eggs. This is a microscopic picture of the fish eggs. More fish egg pictures. And this is the fish as a larva. And this is the part where they turn into a fry fish. So they become fry fish when they start eating their own food. Here's our last stage, the adult stage. Then the cycle repeats. So then again, we'll go back into our slides. So remember, you can just write this on a piece of paper. You're writing for each stage, the adult stage, egg stage, the larva stage, and the fry stage, an explanation of the fish's life cycle in your own words. When you are finished with that, make sure you are taking a picture and sending it to your teacher by Class Dojo, Parent Square, or email. If you have any questions, please reach out to any of the second grade teachers. We're happy to help and excited to see your work. That's it for now. We'll see you next time.